Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and watch my previous video. Today I'll be showing you how to make black soap for dark skin. And in this video I'll be showing you the ingredients you'll be needing to make this black soap, and as well I'll be telling you the benefits of all these ingredients. So this is my Ghana soap. In case you can't get hold of this soap, the local soap, they call it Oshedudu. So you can use that also. Just make sure you put all these ingredients, you add all these ingredients to it. Sorry, please don't mind my voice. I'm a bit stressed up, and I'm sorry, I have most of all these things in nylon. All I just want to show in this video is that you don't really need so much money to make or to prepare your black soap. This palm kernel oil, I bought it for 100 naira because after making this soap it will take a while before it fits just a little. That's why I bought this size. And this oil has an anti-aging properties. It prevents the appearance of fine lines and also provides protection against harsh weather. It makes the skin smoother and softer, and it also moisturizes the skin. That is the essence of using this. And all you'll be needing in this video is just 2 spoons. Just 2 spoons is okay. A little goes a long way. You don't need too much. The next ingredient is honey. Honey is also very effective and it prevents your skin from acne. It also moisturizes the skin and it helps open pores. So depending on the size of your soap, or on the quantity you are making, just make sure you get a good honey. Make sure your honey is original. So I bought this honey for 200 naira. This is my olive oil. All you need is just a spoon, and it is rich in vitamin A, D and E, and it helps to remove bacteria from the skin. It is also beneficial in treatment of skin infection. Next ingredient is CAMWOOD powder. I bought this for 50 naira. You don't really need much of it. Just half spoon is okay. You can add a little bit. CAMWOOD is also good for the skin. It glows the skin. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It's very good for the skin. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. This is original coconut oil. A spoon is okay. Coconut oil is very good. It minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Also it moisturizes and it promotes wound healing. It's very good. This is our next ingredient. It is known as the neem leaf. I meant to put the dried leaf or the neem powder, but I couldn't get hold of the powder, so I decided to boil the fresh leaf instead. This is it here. I boiled it just for 5 minutes, and this is the result. I'm going to add a little to my soap. The neem powder also moisturizes and it cures acne. This is her sulphur. Sulphur is very good I remember when I was young, my mom usually had this to our cream because of all these rashes. So it's really good for the skin as well. You don't really need much of it, just half spoon is okay. So now we are going to mix all these ingredients together. Make sure you mix properly. Make sure you mix well. This is the outcome. This is the outcome of the soap. And now my soap is ready for me to pack it. So guys, don't forget to watch my videos, like, and make sure you drop a comment, give a thumbs up. This is the end of our video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for sticking with me. Love you. Take care of yourself. Be good to people. It's very, very important. Bye.